Hi everyone, Caroline here. Question for you. After you have cleaned your crystals or cleansed your crystals to discharge them of any negative energy or any previous unwanted energies, do some of your crystals look like they're so tired or like they've lost their spark and their mojo? Or have you noticed that after working with some crystals for a while, or even after cleansing, let's just keep it there, after cleansing some crystals, that they just look energetically empty or lifeless, like, something has just left them. You know what I mean? Have you noticed anything like that? Let me know in the comment section, because I certainly have noticed that some of the crystals that I work with, after a while, they just kind of look like, they're not there anymore. So please let me know if you know what I'm talking about. I'm sure I'm not the only one. Anyway, when you notice that a crystal which usually looks alive or bright, or that a crystal which was once energetically vibrant is now looking dead or unhappy, or like it has no fire, what needs to happen is that beautiful crystal may just need to be re-energized, recharged, reactivated to get it back to its happy state. And that means you need to know what type of reactivation or recharge process that works for that specific crystal of yours. Okay, so to help you with that, in this video I'm going to focus specifically on crystals or stones that benefit greatly from being recharged and reactivated in strong sunlight. I'm not going to be talking about crystals or stones that need to be reactivated in the early morning sun or in the late afternoon sun. I'm going to be focusing on crystals that are recharged by strong sunlight, heat, fire. Okay, yeah, okay. Do you know that obsidians and meteorites can be used to recharge other stones? Yep, they definitely can be used to recharge other crystals and other stones, and especially the ones that benefit directly from being charged under strong sunlight and heat. And I'll tell you why in a second. But before I do that, have you ever used obsidians or meteorites to recharge your crystals? Let me know in the comment section, okay? All right, obsidians or stones which are originally produced from the fire of the earth, from volcanic eruptions, magma, they contain a fire energy from deep within the earth. And that fire energy resonates with the heat from the sun. That fire within these stones is what reignites, invigorates, and recharges the internal fire of other crystals that are energized by strong sunlight. And keep in mind that not all crystals are energized or recharged by strong sunlight or by obsidian or meteorites, okay? So I'm going to give you some examples of some of these strong sunlight stones or crystals, just to give you an idea. Because again, not all crystals benefit from being charged under strong sunlight, because strong sunlight causes them to change their character or causes them to fade, or it burns out the information from inside the crystal. So it really can distort a lot of things. So, all right, the thing with meteorites is this. Meteorites, or stones that fall from above, also carry within them fire from the stars. They have a fire energy that comes from above. And based on how they were formed, that space rock fire can also be used to recharge other crystals. But I wouldn't recommend Moldavite for this, because Moldavite is very delicate, and because it's so fragile and it can easily break, it's usually one of those space rocks that are not recommended for recharging other crystals. So, what are some of the crystals that can benefit from being recharged under strong sunlight or by using obsidian and meteorites? If you are using crystals like agates, which love to be energized by the sun, which love to be in nature, it doesn't matter what type of agate it is. So whether it's blue lace agate, whether it's fire agate, whether it's moss agate, whether it's black agate, it doesn't matter, because agates love strong sunlight and can also definitely benefit from being recharged using obsidian and meteorites. The other type of crystal that benefits from this is tiger eye. Whether you have yellow tiger eye, or whether it's blue tiger eye or red tiger eye, all types of tiger eye get energized under strong sunlight. And obviously you can use obsidians and also meteorites to really charge them up if you don't have access to sunlight, or during those seasons when there's no strong sunlight and you have an obsidian with you or a meteorite with you, you can use that to recharge your tiger eyes. Interestingly, larimas and aquamarines also can be recharged using strong sunlight and also using the energy of obsidians and meteorites. And then, of course, obsidians themselves and meteorites themselves are also strong sunlight stones. Obsidians, whether it's black obsidian, snowflake obsidian, mahogany obsidian, rainbow obsidian, whatever kind of obsidian, or any type of meteorite, benefits greatly from being charged under strong sunlight. Obsidian actually is a very, very fascinating stone, and I'm really excited to share a lot about this beautiful stone because I just don't want crystal lovers missing out on the benefits of this beauty right here. So anyway, usually what happens is after I have done a cleansing of crystals, or if I have looked around and I have seen that certain types of crystals that benefit from strong sunlight are looking like they have lost their spark, what I do is to simply place my tiger eyes or my agates on top of my obsidian and just leave it overnight so that it can get back its internal fire. I need that fire in my tiger eyes. I need it in my crystals so that when I'm wearing my crystals the next day, I kind of feel like, okay, this thing is gonna be good. All right, the energy is just gonna be activated the way I want it, you know? I gotta take care of my babies. We gotta take care of our crystal babies, and we need our crystals working for us. So, do you have a strong sunlight crystal and has it lost its spark? Or how do you usually charge your crystals? How do you usually put the mojo back in your crystals? Let me know in the comment section. And also, email me at caroline@crystalstock.com. I offer personal one-on-one consultations on how to work with your spiritual tools. And until next time, stay energized and reactivated and recharged. I love you guys. Bye.